Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a 4th of July food collab with the beautiful sisters Cami and Carly. They are the absolute sweetest and they are my fellow YouTube friends. They also have a channel and they do lots of Dollar Tree DIYs, especially farmhouse decor, and they also do cleaning videos. So please be sure to check out their channel and please be sure to subscribe to them as well. I love their channel and I know you guys will too. I'm going to go ahead and link their video down below and as well as their channel, so please be sure to check them out when you are done watching this video. So let's go ahead and get started. For this first dessert, you're going to need some ice cream, some chewy Chips Ahoy, and some blue and red sprinkles. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off by adding some ice cream on top of a cookie, and you're going to be making an ice cream sandwich. And then once you have your cookie put together, you're going to go ahead and start dipping it into the sprinkles, and you can do this as you like. You can do all of them red or all of them blue, or you can do as I did and mix and match them. For this next dessert, you're going to need some strawberries, some white chocolate, some wax paper, and some red sprinkles. I started off by melting my chocolate in the microwave, and then once it was done for the first minute, I took it out, I mixed it around a little bit just to make sure that it was getting the right amount of heat all around the chocolate, and then I went ahead and I put that back into the microwave for another minute. So once my chocolate was completely melted, I went ahead and started to dip my strawberries into the chocolate and then immediately dip them into the sprinkles right after. Now this is my favorite dessert of them all. You're going to go ahead and start to preheat your oven to 350, and then you're going to get a bowl and start to add your cake mix into it along with your eggs and then your water and then of course your oil, and then you're going to go ahead and start to mix your batter. Once your batter is done, you're going to go ahead and grab your cake pan and then start to put your batter into it. And then of course you're going to go ahead and put that into your oven and watch it until it is ready. Once your cake is completely baked, you're going to go ahead and start to frost it with some plain white vanilla frosting. Then you're going to go ahead and grab some strawberries and then start to cut them down into little pieces. Once you have your strawberries cut down and your blueberries washed, you're going to go ahead and start to put the blueberries on one side of the cake. And then with the strawberries, you're going to make lines across the cake. And this is going to mimic an American flag. And that is it, you guys. Those are my 4th of July desserts for you. I hope you guys got some ideas, and I hope you guys have a great 4th of July and enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.